917 Wilson Cliffs. I'd say I could use a one-time cleanup in the yard. Maybe patch up this front door, get some Bondo or something, and repaint it so it looks fresh. Looks like there's a pan and earthquake straps. Go ahead and close that. Mismatched hardware there. Maybe replace that light fixture and maybe this one. There are 3 windows downstairs that need 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Plus, I believe the vertical could be replaced as well. There's missing slats and a couple of stains. I think it would be nice if it was replaced. The rollers need to be looked at with a slider. It's hard to open. This is all very normal stuff. We see this on almost every house. And probably junk this hoop, or see if we can get the seller to remove it. So it looks like the cabinets have been stained, but not very well. So we'll see what Jenny says about how to treat them at this point. These 2 pieces look old, so it may be best just to replace them. There is a door leading to the laundry room, and there's a 3-prong outlet there, which connects to a powder room. It's dark in here, the paint is dark throughout the house, so you don't really see these cabinets too much. It's hard to get a good look at it. I'm not sure that the condition really matters too much. That's a Jenny decision. I have a pantry here. So the paint throughout is not terrible. I don't see tons of areas that look bad, but I think it would look a lot fresher and a lot more open if it was repainted. So light bulbs are missing throughout the property. We need closet door guides. There's no light bulbs in this room. Same situation with the cabinet, stained, wearing, no light bulbs. Shower rod with some rust present, so I don't know if we want to replace that. There are 3 windows upstairs. Need a shower rod in here as well. This tub is a 1-piece, so you don't have to worry about maintaining the caulking or the grout. Need closet door guides here as well. Carpet looks fine. Okay. So I just wanted to point out, it looks like these door frames have been painted, but it doesn't look like they were sanded first. So the house would have a fresher feel if it was properly painted with a good paint job, but it may not be necessary at this time. That's why we have Jenny.